Hey everyone, how you doing out there? So you can see I pulled off the last engine guard I put on here, and the main reason I did that is I still want a low chopped engine guard, but I need one that will mount my highway pegs on them. I'll show you which ones I'm talking about. See these guys right here? Well, these are the mounts for the highway pegs. This is the highway peg itself. But anyway, you can see that straight section right there that the tubing's got to go through, right? Well, you can't put those on a curved tube, obviously, because you'll screw up the engine guard or, you know, damage the chrome, and they're not going to sit right. I want an engine guard that was chopped but had a flat portion on it to mount those two. So let's open up this box and see what this engine guard looks like from Advanblack. All right, let's check it out. Alright, so I gotta pop these bolts off down there and we'll get this sucker installed. That's what I'm talking about right there. See that straight right there? That straight section will allow me to clamp the highway peg mounts perfectly. So that's it. The other one I had from Hogworkz was excellent, but they're really not designed for highway pegs. So that's the only reason I'm switched. But I recommend those too. If you're not going to use highway pegs, or if you can use highway pegs that come off of the frame, that's a definitely good option. I went with this one because, again, I just want them off of my crash bar, kind of like I have on my Softail. There, similar setup, you can see right there. So, yeah. All right, so we got to pull these bolts off. Get this thing bolted on. Get the highway pegs on there and we'll see what she looks like. Alright, let's do it. By the way, I use some thread locker or Loctite whenever I do something like this blue. This is the stock T45 torque screw, one on each side. Alright, here you go. All installed. Real easy to put on. I got these highway pegs, the mounts, and the pegs themselves at Harley when I bought the bike. You could tell because they match my stock setup, but I like the look. Nice and simple. Little trick, by the way, to get these at the same angle to look balanced and symmetrical. I use a tape measure and measure the space between the floorboard and the highway peg. Just pick an angle or a section here to measure, and then you just adjust it till they match on both sides, and that's how I get them symmetrical. Looks good. Usually I ride like this, just resting my toe on the peg. You know, you want to stretch out. Perfect. Looks good. Very comfortable. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. There you go. Got the chopped engine guards from Advanblack and my Harley Davidson highway peg mounts. I think it looks good, looks comfortable, good to go. Thanks for watching. Take care of each other out there and keep the shiny side up. See ya. Bye.